So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get gems in Dragon City. So the first thing you want to do is open up the app. From there you can see a couple of different currencies that are used in game. So from here you can see dragons, you can see gems, you can see gold as well as food. So from here you can see the option on settings. You can change player, add account, stuff like that. You can see the claim, storage, battle, social, so many more options, and they all require using in-game currency. So if you want to get gold, you will need to among other things get gems. So gems, in order to get them, they can be obtained through various methods, including purchasing the gems itself. So I'm gonna open it up. So you can see here you can buy gems for real life currency. So you will need to complete missions and events. So I'm just going to show you what that means. So if you have an event for a gem, so let's say I want to log into my Facebook account. If I do that for the first time on this device, so I click on connect, I will get 10 gems. So that's just one example of completing an event. You can also see here, you can claim and get stuff. So if you speed up flame and terra hatching, you can get a gem as well as gold. So you can see there's a lot of stuff that you can use to get gems. Just look for those events and look for those opportunities and missions to get gems, as well as participating in PvP or player versus player battles. So if you watch ads, complete offers, stuff like that, you will also receive gems. So there's quite a few ways to get them. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.